कैसे जाएगा construction of Tashir Center under Tilamura Municipal Council. The work started, site clearance work being completed. Now the clear pictures of Tertiary Center where the construction will take place. So excavation of earth cutting going on. Me myself Bijubon Deburma looking after the work. Or supervising the work.